In this video, I will show how to make scatter pivot points smaller in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, create pivot. Now select, then right click on it, then click on Format Data Series. Now select it, then right click and Format Data Series. Now select this first one, Fill and Line, then click on Marker. Then Marker Options, select Bulletin, select Type and make the size as your need and click Anywhere like this. And increase or decrease the size. So firstly select this marker and marker options. You can increase now size or decrease. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.